Welcome, kids. Come take a seat. Even numbers are super neat.
Even numbers are easy. Here's the clue. Divide by 2. Remainder is 0, 2.
2 divided by 2. Remainder is none. That makes 2 even. Math is fun.
4 divided by 2, what do we see? The answer is 2. No remainder. Yippee! 3 tries 2, but oh, what a show. 3 divided by 2 leaves remainder 1, so no. 6, 8, 10, shout loud and strong. Divide them by 2, nothing goes wrong.
See? When the remainder is 0, hooray! That's how we know even's the way.
12 and 14, join the crew. Even numbers keep growing too.
15 says, I want to play. But remainder is 1. It's odd today.
Remember the rule, kids. It's true. Divide by 2. Remainder is 0 for you.
20 rolls in, happy and bright. Even numbers always divide just right.
Look at 22, zooming fast. Even numbers always last.
24's a pair, strong and true. Divides by 2, clean right through.
26 comes rolling, steady and neat. 2 equal shoes on every feet.
28 is great, it loves to share. Half so easy, it's always fair.
30 races in, quick as a breeze. Divide by 2, that's 15 with ease.
I'm double 16. Even cars always shine and gleam.
34 speeds by, smooth on track. Pairs of 2 upon its back.
36 zooms, it loves the race. 2 neat halves keep up the pace.
38, oh what a treat. Divides by 2, that's 19 neat.
40 flashes, strong and bright. Even numbers always right. 42 rolls, no remainder in sight. Even numbers shine so bright.
44 sings, pairs galore. 2 by 2, and so much more.
46 zips past, steady and true. Every even's a friend of 2.
48 arrives, divide and cheer. 24 on each side, nice and clear.
Even, even, even.